Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to find Facebook friends on Instagram. Alright, let's begin. We'll start by opening up your Instagram app. Once you have it open, go to your profile and actually let me switch my accounts first. That was my personal account. Okay, now once you have go to your profile first, look on the bottom row. If you see on the bottom row, on the very corner, there's my profile picture. I'll tap on that. It's to the right of the love symbol. Okay, this will take you to your profile. Once you're here, click on your settings, and that's the little gear symbol to the right of where it says edit profile. Click on the little gear. Okay, now if you see the screen underneath follow people, tap on where it says Facebook friends. Once you're here, you have to connect to your Facebook account, and I'll just click on connect to Facebook. And blah, blah, blah. It's asking for permission, and click on continue. And this will take you to your Facebook logins, and just go ahead and log into your Facebook. Okay, and then continue. Once you have done that, now it's showing me all my Facebook friends that are on Instagram, and you can just go through them and add whichever friends you like to add on Instagram. That's how simple it is to add Facebook friends on Instagram. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.